when I got locked in the room and fainted there. It was you who took care of me. But you wanted to tell me something that day, but you couldn't say it.
You were outside?
What, Sanaya?
Wait, I'll tell you something.
Sanaya, you must be tired. Go get some sleep.
And today we will discuss everything.
It seems like she is Arohi only.
To die for love.
I'll have to escape from here before someone sees me. The door is shut. Now how do I go from here? No! Where are you running off to? Please let me go from here. Dad has asked me to lock you in the room. Diya, what enmity do you have with me? Please leave me. I would have surely let you go if I was your enemy. But you don't know what will happen to you if you leave from here. That's why just come to your room. Diya, if you see the same that I did, then you would also want to escape from here. Diya, there's a big problem here. We won't be able to understand it. You first come to your room. Come on. No. Diya, come. Please
Come
listen
on.
to me. Diya, once I tell you.
Come on. No, Deep. I don't think that sending her away is the solution of the problem. She is younger than us and naive. Who else will explain her if not for us? I think I should explain it to her. Deep, I don't think that we should send her to London. I think we must take her to a psychiatrist, and this will be right for her.
Try to understand. She won't improve by staying here. Neither does this case belong to a psychiatrist. She'll just keep hating you. And I don't want anyone in this house to go against you. She has to go.
No, Deep. She's really very nice, very sweet. She's always spoken to me in a very loving manner. And if she ever spoke to me rudely a couple of times, I don't think that we should hold on to it. Don't worry at all, I should explain it to her. If she has any ill feelings towards me, then I will clear it. Deep, we don't cut off our fingers when they are wounded, right? We dress them and heal them. It's very important to take her to the psychiatrist. And if you consider me a part of this family, then let me handle this problem and you won't interfere, promise me.
Okay. Do as you wish. But if she tries to misbehave with you again, then she will not be seen in this house again.
Yeah, okay, fine. I won't let that happen at all. Thank you.
Diya, listen to me. You will be shocked when you hear it. Sanaya, what do you want to say? Look, I don't have time. Just tell me quickly.
Diya,
Arohi, please come in.
Diya, there are many misunderstandings between me and Sanaya, and I have come to clear them. Can I talk to Sanaya in private?
Is she Arohi hai? Or is she her lookalike Tara? No. Diya doesn't have to go anywhere. We will talk in front of her.
Sanaya, I might be your sister-in-law, but I consider you as my friend. Have you forgotten? When I came here after marriage, then I befriended you first. And you had shown me the entire house. As if I'm an outsider, not your sister-in-law. Sanaya, You have always supported me. When I got locked in the room and fainted there, it was you who took care of me. But you wanted to tell me something that day, but you couldn't say it.
You were outside?
What, Sanaya?
Wait, I'll tell you something.
Sanaya, you must be tired. Go get some sleep.
And today we will discuss everything.
It seems like she is Arohi only. Sister Diya, you please go. I will speak to Arohi. Okay. Both of you chat as long as you please. Alright?
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.